How's it going, everybody? Josh, K-2635. I'm in Las Vegas attending a wedding, and of course I brought some radios along with me. But when I went to test my radio out before the big show, which is like at 2 p.m. today, and it is 9 p.m., major problems. The radio won't power on. So I came somewhere to get some help. Well, it looks like my radio that I'm testing is dead. When I got here, actually when I was packing up, leaving home, I noticed a little noise in the back of the radio, or somewhere inside the radio. When I got to the hotel, thankfully I had my Leatherman on me, and I opened it up, and sure enough, we've got a problem. There's a little piece loose, a toroid loose. So basically the radio is non-functioning. I need something to use while I'm out here trying to do a POTA, hopefully. Wonder what I should pick up. Maybe something cheap? Something I've never played with before. Yep. If you didn't know already, I have an 857 at home that I have been slowly working on testing. I kind of want to test some of the older radios that people have a lot of affinity for. And one of the radios I've never owned, never really operated, is the 818 or the 817 line of radios. So I'm going to try it out and let you know what I think. All right, I thought I did things pretty free and clear. Turns out after picking up the radio and then picking up the suit jacket for the wedding and then stopping by the Apple store, I realized that the Yaesu 818 and 817, it has a specialty power lead. So I don't have the appropriate power lead. So I'm rushing back to the Gigaparts. Thanks Julio and the team there. You guys have been awesome to pick up whatever it is I need to get this up and running so that I may be able to do a wedding and a POTA. We'll see. Bit of a hike. Just a bit. It's pretty nice though. It's all pathed in on the boardwalk. What do you think, Ben?
This is gonna be awesome.
I don't know where we're going exactly. I'm just following. I think I'm following the right people. I'm following Edison. POTA advice. If you want to do this this location, you might want to do an after hours, late night, or come early. It's like 110 degrees out here. Well, the wedding went off without a hitch, but not enough time to get to the buffet, which is the reception. Tomorrow, before my live stream, I'm gonna try and hit it. All right, well, nothing doing, but we gotta get some contacts going. I'm gonna be using the PAC-10 on 20 meters. No need to complicate things, I figured. We'll see how this goes and we'll make adjustments as we need to. I will be running the Tactical Mini It is 91 degrees out here right now. Quite nice in the shade though. There's a nice little breeze. I may put a wind sock on here. A dead cat, as it were. Might be too ambitious. Oop, might be too far. We'll see. I think we're good. Might as well make full use of the sun we got out here. Deploy the power film. I'll adjust it as I need to, but now we gotta get the radio. So I guess we're just gonna, maybe we'll log on the paper map. Maybe we'll do that. It is charged up though, so to some degree. Big shout out to the fine folks at Gigaparts. I learned, as I'm learning about this radio, that the power connector, you know I like those non-standard power connectors, and I know some of you are saying, oh, it's totally standard, it's totally fine. Well, it's not though. I mean, it's different than the ones we normally use for a lot of QRP radios. They botched up in Anderson's for me, so thank you for doing that, appreciate it. I'm gonna have to move my power film, it looks like, but that's okay. It should be charged up enough to get us going. What if I just move my operating position? How about that? Oh, there's a lot of people out there. Okay, let's look up the POTA spots here. See where people are at. Okay, got a Victor Alpha 7 Romeo Yankee Lima, you're 5656.
Yeah, roger that, Josh. Thanks for picking me up. Enjoy your show. You are 5-5 into Bravo Charlie. And here is Bob, Bravo Oscar Bravo.
QSL Bob, thank you very much for the contact. What was my signal report again, one more time?
Can you come back over?
Yes, one more time. What was my signal report? Signal report, please.
5-5, beaching 5-5, over.
QSL, you've come up to 595959 there, so thank you for the contact, 73. Come back one more time, park to park. I only heard the park to park. What was the park to park station one more time? So I've got some funky business. I'm not getting full power output right now. It's like it's not using the solar panel. I need all this power. Was that November 6, Charlie Alpha Papa?
Pretty close. November 6, Charlie
Oh, you keep cutting out. Charlie Oscar Papa? QSL?
QSL.
All right, you're 5959 into 2635. What's my signal report?
QSL 55, Central California.
QSL the 55. Thank you very much for the contact, 73. So I've been doing most of these contacts on like 3 watts because it's running off the internal battery. It doesn't like the power film for some reason. CQ Parks on the air. Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu. We're gonna have to fight for every one of these contacts, but I think we're gonna do it. CQ Parks on the air. Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu.
Park to park, Kilo Delta 9, November Juliet, park to park.
Kilo Delta 9, November Juliet. You're a 59 into 2635 QSL.
QSL, you're coming in at about 4-4 to 2 parks. First park, Kilo 4238, 4238. Second park, 4249, 4249. QSL?
QSL, copy the 4238 and the 4249. Is that correct?
QSL, you're coming in about 3-3, Josh, but I can hear you.
Yeah, I'm using a radio I've never used before, and I'm not sure how to get full power out of it. So, well, this is what we got. Thank you so much for the contact, 73.
All right, you're starting to fade out on me, but thanks for the contact, 73, KD9NJJ.
Copy, 73. All right, Parks on the air, QRZ. How do I get full power out of this thing? Is my power film solar not working? Is that what's going on? Editor Josh from the future. It is indeed the power film solar that's the problem. We have an error with the power film, and I think I got to get that fixed. But I didn't even need to buy the 818 technically. I could have just got a Bio-Eno battery, and I would have been set. There's a station there in the noise. Station there in the noise. One more time. Whiskey 1, QSL. Okay, I got a Whiskey something Zulu Golf. Okay, one more time. I'm hearing you a little bit better. Go for it. Got it. All right, Whiskey Mike 8 Golf. I got you 3333 into Park 2635. QSL?
QSL, I got you about 4-3.
All right, copy the 4-3, copy the 4-3. Thank you for the contact, 7-3. That was a tough one. November 6, Victor Oscar Charlie. Got you a 5959 into Park 2635. QSL?
QSL, you're 5252 in San Diego, over.
QSL. Thank you so much for the contact, 7-3. CQ Parks on the air, Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu.
November 5, Foxtrot, November.
November 5, Foxtrot, November. Thank you for the contact. You are a 595959 into Park 2635. QSL?
Copy 2335, that's you, 585 into Kilo, repeat 7443 and Kilo 7523, repeat 7523, QSL.
Is that, okay, let me see if I got that right. So 7443 and 7523. The last one I didn't think I got right.
Yeah, the last one, 7523, 7523, QSL.
7523. QSL. Thank you for the contact, 7-3.
7-3, good luck.
Okay, well, at least we wrapped it up with 2 parks. That was really nice. Let's do a couple more and we'll pack up. CQ Parks on the air, Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu. Part of my problem is we're running off the NiCad battery pack. So at least it has a battery pack. So I was still successful in activating, which is fine for me. I'll take it. But I'm a little bummed out about the power. So I'm gonna have to figure out what that's all about, because this should be putting out at least, so my understanding after getting a little bit more familiar with the radio, anything above 11 volts gives, will change the power over to the 12 volt supply power output, which will get you up to 6 watts output. I'm not seeing that. It wants to stay on the NiCad batteries, which is not ideal. We want the more power. I want those 2-3 extra watts of output. So something else is amiss here, and I'm gonna have to go get a multimeter and test this out when I'm gonna actually go grab one from Harbor Freight, because I got a live stream to prepare for at 5 p.m. my normal time, which I'm still gonna do out here, not here, but in the hotel room. So anyway, I'm wrapping up here. The adventure continues, I guess. So far, not bad. It's a quirky, it's got old bones, right? That's what it feels like, but it's kind of cool radio. More info in the future.